asked that I might not have mentioned, there is no need for anesthetic. It is not painful. Vibrations are what a person feels when they're actually having this procedure done. So no, there is no general anesthetic that needs to be used.
Okay.
If you can see, this is the probe that goes inside the vagina. So most vaginas' depth is somewhere between 6 and maybe 8 inches. So we can actually place this inside the vagina. It goes inside the vagina very smoothly and very easily. And when the laser is turned on, the light actually comes through here. And so if the vaginal tube is like this, it goes inside and you go all the way to the back of the vagina. The laser light is going to be penetrating through here into the vaginal wall. So if you have the light directed at this segment of the wall, then you go down, and it's that segment of the vaginal wall, and then it would be this segment of the vaginal wall, and then that segment of the vaginal wall. So it goes all the way into the back part of the vagina. That process takes place. So it's a 360-degree turn. And then we come out of the vagina, one layer. And then we do that same process, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And then we come back, and then we do the same process until we get to the exterior portion of the vagina. So that's essentially how it works. Now, there are videos available for us to take a peek and see exactly that the laser light actually penetrates through the wall. And what it does is promote collagen synthesis. The collagen creates new growth, new blood vessels. The new blood vessels, anytime you have blood vessels coming into an area, you're going to have healthier tissue. Tissue that is kind of close to what it was before the estrogen support was absent.